Mul-T-Lock is now celebrating a 40th anniversary. Mul-T-Lock is very well-known company in Israel. When you ask people in Israel about locks, cylinders, padlocks, they think Mul-T-Lock. They always recognize the logo of Mul-T-Lock, of the Musselman logo, and it's very strong name here. Almost every person in Israel keep a key of Mul-T-Lock in his keys, because most of the keys for the doors in Israel are Mul-T-Lock keys. So everybody is familiar with that.
Mul-T-Lock is a young company, only 40 years old, so being part of its history is a great feeling. I've been working for Mul-T-Lock for 22 years. The conference is very professional. I think it's very inspiring in terms of new business ideas, new product innovations, and I have no doubt that all the participants will go back to their own countries and they will have plenty of new ideas on how to develop the Mul-T-Lock business.
I enjoyed the conference very much. I got a lot of useful information, and sure, with this information I can improve the Hungarian distribution activity, what we started 2 years ago. So for me it was really a very helpful meeting.
I'm new to the company. I was in different industry before. I knew Mul-T-Lock very well, but I didn't know what they do exactly. I find it very interesting company, very interesting market. It's part of Assa Abloy, which is a Swedish public company, the biggest company in security and high security products in the world. Very nice and attractive environment to work for. So I enjoy, and I'm very happy that I joined the company.
Mul-T-Lock is a highly respected member of the Assa Abloy group. It is a global brand, one of only 6 brands that we have in the group. Being a global brand, Mul-T-Lock is entitled to develop and manage its own routes to markets, so it's run independently, if you like, its own network of selling units and dozens of distributors in many countries. It is a very innovative company that brings a lot of new products into the market, and it's one of our fastest growing businesses. So from an Assa Abloy perspective, we're very pleased with Mul-T-Lock.
So Mul-T-Lock selling about 25% of their business here in Israel, in the local market, and 75% outside of Israel, export. We are selling in 70 countries. We sell through distributors, partners that usually working with us for many years, like in Hungary, for example, and through selling unit. We have our own selling organization in 13 countries, 5 of them in Europe, 2 in North America, 3 in Latin America, and so on. And we have about 550 employees all over the world, majority here in Israel, but a lot in the selling unit of Mul-T-Lock all over the world.
East European countries are, for us, the area where we expect the fastest growth in the market. So we expect that, of course, there will be different pace of development in different countries, but we believe that there are countries like Hungary, for instance, Serbia, Croatia and Poland, which will grow in a very fast way, and we will see a very promising results there. Well, we see the problem mainly with the very low incoming orders from government. So there are very few public tenders that are financed from public money. So we have to rely really on private initiatives and private companies' activities, and we believe that here in a private projects we can really see a fast growth of our sales.
So the plan is very clear for us. We see the trend in the world of world moving more to electronic and to electromechanical solutions. So from the keys that used to be very popular in the past and now, things will go and will move to mobile. I believe that in years from now, keys will become electronic keys in the mobile. If it will take 5 or 10 or 20 years, I don't know. But we are now already developing products that will be able to open by your mobile instead of key, and key will be only a backup for this product. So this is one direction. We're investing a lot in emerging market because emerging market is growing faster than developed countries. So we are investing a lot there. And we put a lot of focus to be in the high end, in the high security market, patented products, very high security, very reliable, where the competition of all the low-cost country is less. And we have big advantage there.
This is our latest development. It's a padlock that actually giving a signal that tells us where it is. It is giving us a signal if somebody opened or closed it, so we know, the customer knows if their property is safe and where it is every minute of the day.
So definitely the next step in the development will be the electromechanical locks. This is the new generation that exists in the world. So we will work very hard on this field, and our target is to develop the new electronic solution for locks and cylinders.
One thing that you see when you come to Mul-T-Lock is the fact that we are producing the machines that are doing the assembly and the key cutting for our products, and this is a great ability. We are very proud of it, and when you look in the production floor, you see our employees working on machines that we built for ourselves, doing a product that we ourselves design. For us, it's giving us a lot of good feeling.
Two main things. One I already covered. It's to move more and more to the electronic worlds. People that understand mechanical worlds not always understand the electronic internet worlds, communication worlds. So we have to move to this direction because the world is going to this direction. And second is to be much more efficient in terms of operation processes. I would like to see my vision that order is coming from customer, going seamlessly, automatically through order processing, logistics, manufacturing, go back to the customer as product seamlessly, automatically, not with a lot of manual intervention and so on and so forth. That the company will be efficient, fast, flexible to serve customer needs.